Hello guys, welcome to today's trick. Today we are going to solve this mathematical equation, which is very simple but tricky. Let's do it. The question says 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 1. This question is very simple but tricky. Let's solve it. 4 minus 1 gives us 3. And this 4 minus 1 gives us what? 3. So, since this is multiplication between this, 3 times 3 gives us what? 9. So the correct answer will be 9, right? No. So here is the tricky part. In maths, we have an operational rule which is called BODMAS. This rule, first of all, this stands for bracket, this stands for order, this stands for division, this stands for multiplication, this stands for addition and subtraction as well. So what this rule means is that we have to prioritize hierarchically across this. From bracket, the highest priority is given to brackets and the lowest priority is given to the operation containing subtraction. So we have to first solve this bracket, then there is multiplication here, so we have to prioritize this bracket times this number. Then finally we have to subtract this number from 4. Okay, let's solve this now. Okay, now 4 minus 1 gives us what? 3. As before, 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So 1 times 3, let's put it down as it is. 4 minus 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is 4 minus 1, 3. That's 1. Not what? 9. The answer is 1. Thank you for watching this video.